Hello, Spanish learners. Are you ready to master some of the most common and useful reflexive verbs in Spanish? These verbs are crucial for your daily conversations, and understanding how they work will greatly improve your fluency. Today, Teacher Miguel, the Spanish super tutor, is going to share with you the top 5 reflexive verbs that you need to know. Let's get started.
What a stupid introduction, but I am here. Hello guys, how are you? I am Teacher Miguel, the Spanish super tutor, and I am very proud to tell you that we are creating one of the best online Spanish academies. And you know what? All my students say so. Remember that in Spanish, reflexive verbs are actions that the subject performs upon itself. And they are easy to spot because they come with reflexive pronouns like me, te, se, nos, os, se. What, Teacher Miguel? These pronouns indicate who is performing the action. For example, verb to get up, levantarse. Yo me levanto, tú te levantas, él se levanta, nosotros nos levantamos, vosotros os levantáis, ellos se levantan. Levantarse, to get up, whether you are getting out of bed or standing up for a chair, you'll use this verb. Verbo reflexivo, so that's why we have to know the pronouns, because it is not the same to say yo levanto, what means I lift, than yo me levanto, what means I get up. For example, yo me levanto a las 7 de la mañana todos los días. I get up at 7 a.m. every single day. Next verb is ducharse, which means to shower. It is something most of us needs every single day. For instance, me ducho antes de acostarme. And this means I have a shower before going to sleep. Yo me ducho, tú te duchas, él se ducha, nosotros nos duchamos, vosotros os ducháis y ellos se duchan. Next verb is vestirse, which means to get dressed. And I am pretty sure after your shower you get dressed, so that's why vestirse is a very important reflexive verb. So the sentence I'm going to tell you is me visto después de ducharme, what means I get dressed after showering. And last verb I'm going to show you today is divertirse, which means to have fun. We have to have fun. And how to conjugate this verb? Yo me divierto, tú te diviertes, él se divierte, nosotros nos divertimos, vosotros os divertís with Teacher Miguel y ellos se divierten. And one sentence is nos divertimos mucho en la fiesta de ayer. We had a lot of fun at the party yesterday. So, conclusion, now that you know this Spanish reflexive verb, you are on the way to speaking Spanish more naturally, my friend. Practice them daily. Don't forget to conjugate the verb. Don't forget the reflexive pronoun. And don't forget to follow the Spanish super tutor. Remember that we have lessons every single day. And if you are looking for an online Spanish lesson, you can find a lot on the internet, a lot. But if you really want to speak Spanish, Spanish super tutor. Yo tu lengua no la entiendo. Hables bien y lo hagas lento. Si no habla español, Giri habla español. Te lo pido por favor. Ra, ra, ra. La H no se pronuncia. Tra, la, 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 la.